but a lot of 3D printing reviews and things, opening boxes, unboxings of 3D printers. Who else we've got? Tech Drone Media. Tech Drone Media is out there every day doing cool things with drones. These are not FPV drones. These are the kind of drones, camera drones, that are currently despised by everybody in the world, apparently. And there's all kinds of new laws being generated because of these camera drones. But anyway, he does some really cool stuff with camera drones, and he shows you how difficult it is today as a content creator, and how often he gets harassed by random people when he's trying to fly his drones and make really cool content for his YouTube channel. And 34 OG, thank you for showing up. It is cool to have all these awesome people here on the TikTok. Let's see what happens. Does this, is this still dead? Oh no, it's come back to life. Look, it's come back to life. Yay. It's come back to life, guys. Oh, all right, let's see. I'll put it down here. Here we go. Let's see, video. And it's aiming the wrong way. Anyway, here we go. We're back here. Show you guys, YouTube people, the awesome people here on the TikTok. It is unreal. This is the coolest live stream that I've ever been on. And look, we've got 46 likes on this live stream, guys. Would this be possible on the YouTube for me? No, it would not be possible for me on the YouTube to do anything like this, because YouTube has decided that I am to be treated as an MS-13 kind of individual, although I've never done anything to break any laws, do anything bad, but YouTube hates me that much. So anyway, who did we get to? We got to Tech Drone Media again. Good channel, Tech Drone Media. What's we got? We got Thrill Seeker. Thrill Seeker is another great one if you guys want to check out the VR tech. He'll even travel to different countries to show you the new things that are going on in VR tech. Thrill Seeker. Who else we've got? We've got Tyro Wood, VR tech. Again, he's also in the VR tech business. We've got Charisse, or Charis, FPV. Another girl who does amazing things with FPV drones. Not enough girls in the FPV hobby, but she is one of the best. We've got Milk FPV, again, drone lady. Awesome stuff. We've got Bushcraft Mo. I think she also does things with drones. Nobody ever talks about the amazing community of girls that fly drones, but we have many. Just nobody ever talks about it. The YouTube algorithm does not promote their